This is a fan that hangs around your neck and it pulls you down. It is a new mini portable fan, portable rechargeable bladeless turbo ultra quiet student handheld fan, outdoor sports travel ships from wherever that is. And you have the fan, type C charging. Ooh. Oh, that's much better. Look at that. That works a lot better in my opinion. It seems to work a lot better when it's under a layer of clothing, because the air just comes up over here and all sorts. Otherwise it just hits your face, and in summer it's not really gonna cool the rest of you down. So that's the bad thing, but you can prop it up on the table, which is very nice.